Welcome back to Valley Life. I'm Alicia Safias. We have a great event to tell you about this weekend if you're looking for a little fun, some great wine, and it's all benefiting a great cause. What could be better than that? I'm joined by Chris Bowling to tell us about Fresno Wine Quest. It's finally here. We've been talking about it for so long.
It's finally here. We've talked about it several times in the past. So anyway, this Sunday from 3 to 6, the first annual Fresno Wine Quest is here. It's going to be held at the Wedgwood Banquet Facility. It's benefiting the ARC Fresno, which has been giving back to the community and serving individuals with developmental disabilities for 60 years this year. And it's a great cause, and it's going to be a great afternoon of fun and excitement and great wine, great food. We have over 25 premier wineries serving 90 different varietals. We have scrumptious food from the fine folks at Wedgwood Banquet Facility. We have coffee and desserts that's being provided by Native American Coffee Company, Wawona Foods, Dugout Cookies. We have a great silent auction like you see here behind us.
Yeah, let's get into that silent auction, because all of this is benefiting the ARC of Fresno and Madera counties, which does wonderful work for the community. Again, 60 years, and we'll talk a little bit more about ARC in a minute, but we promised folks we'd show them. Okay, behind me, you see this amazing double magnum of wine that you can actually bid on, and it's signed. I mean, how cool is that? We have stuff from Silver Oak and 08 Cab. I think a lot of people want to get their hands on that one. Yeah. There's going to be gift baskets. There's all sorts of stuff up for auction, which I think is really great because, you know, people love to come out and support something and have fun at the same time. And that's really what the Fresno Wine Quest is, yeah?
It is. And it's a great opportunity for them to get some very unique items. Like you mentioned, the double magnum that's signed there. That's a very rare bottle. Most people can't just go to the winery and get that anymore. So these are all gifts that have been donated by different sources, the wineries or different community businesses and so on and so forth. And they're giving to the ARC Fresno and really giving back. So we have the silent auction. Following the silent auction and the event, we'll also have that coffee and desserts hour that we talked about, live music by Tom Scott and friends, dancing, party keeps going on until the night, and great afternoon, great evening.
Wow, it sounds like a lot of fun. I'm already looking forward to it. I know a lot of people out there have heard about ARC and may not be familiar with what they do for the community. We've seen some of the artwork, and it truly does change lives. Tell us about the ARC.
It does. The ARC serves, again, individuals with developmental disabilities, and that can run the gamut from slightly impaired all the way to severely impaired individuals. They provide day programs, work programs, community placement, community living skills. They're really great advocates for individuals with developmental disabilities, and they do it caringly and lovingly, and they treat the individuals the way that they should be treated, and they integrate them into society in the best way possible. So really a great cause, a great organization. Over 650 clients here in the Fresno Madera area, and a staff of over 150 caring individuals that care for them on a daily basis. So really a one-stop shop.
And I know that every dollar counts with them. They make it last, they make it stretch, and the tickets will really go toward helping so many families in the community. Tell us ticket information.
Okay, ticket information's $55 in advance. It's $65 at the door. They're available by phone at 559-244-4922. They're also available online at FresnoWineQuest.com, and they're available at the Tasting Room, which is a great establishment out at Palm and Knees that offers wine tasting and light snacks and so on and so forth. So make your way out there, or go online, or pick up the phone and call us and get your tickets, because again, $55 in advance, $65 at the door, and we'd love to have everybody out there, and we don't want people to not be able to make it because the ticket's sold out. So
right. And this is going to be a big event because all the wineries are going to be there. I know there's a lot of excitement, and fall is really the time that we celebrate everything local in the community, and so it's just a great time to come out and be with everyone and celebrate all that our valley has to offer.
It is. It's timed perfectly to coincide with the end of the wine harvest. So again, the wineries will be there. They'll be celebrating the end of harvest, and it should be a great party and a great celebration for everyone.
This is the first annual. We're hoping it's going to be the first of hundreds in the future,
many,
correct?
In the future, absolutely. Absolutely. This is an event that we're very proud to put on for them, and we're very happy to be a part of it and be able to give back to such a wonderful group.
And last thing, I know ARC will have a presence there also, so we can make our way and speak with some of the representatives there.
Yes, they will. They'll have some staff that's working there. They'll also have some individuals that they serve, some clients of theirs that'll be there as well. So it'll be a great afternoon for people to come and also make themselves aware of what it is the ARC does.
We'll get to hear some wonderful stories, I imagine.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you again. So it's this Sunday, 3 to 6. Tickets available, phone number on your screen, website. Check it out. We hope you'll join us there.
Absolutely. Looking forward to seeing everyone.
All right. Thanks again for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
All right. So this Sunday, we will see you there, and Valley Life will be right back.